Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's tutorial guide video I'm going to show you how you can change or update your email address on your TransferWise money application. If you are new to our channel, then first of all make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and also make sure to turn on the bell notifications in order to get notified whenever we post a new video. So without any further ado, let us get started. First of all, what you want to do is make sure that you have the TransferWise application installed on your phone first. If you don't have the application installed on your phone, then simply open your App Store if you're on your iOS device, or open your Google Play Store if you're on your Android. Once you open the respective app stores, depending on which device you have, on the top of the screen you can see the search box. Simply click on the search box and type in TransferWise. Once you type in TransferWise, the application is going to open up, which is known as Wise, formerly called TransferWise. Now if you're on your Android device, you will see a green install button in order to download the application, and if you're on your iOS device, then you will see a cloud-like icon, and simply click on the icon in order to verify the download with your Apple ID password, or depending on whichever security methods you have. Now once you are sure that you have downloaded and installed the application on your phone, simply go back and open the application and make sure that you're actually logged into your account. If you're not logged in, then simply click on login by entering your current email address and your current password. Since I was already logged in, it didn't ask me for any credentials. So this is how the home interface of your application looks like. Now if you want to change your email address, at the bottom right side of the screen you can see the account section. Once you click on accounts, you can see that we have been granted several options. What you want to do is, on the top right side of the screen you can see the settings icon. Simply click on the settings icon over here. And here you can see we have security settings such as email settings, pin auto lock, changing password, two-step authentication, and login on everywhere. Since we are going to learn how to change our email, simply click on the first option which says email settings. So this is how your menu is going to look like, which says, do you want to change your email address? So if you want to change a new email address, you simply need to delete the above email address and enter the new one. You will have to enter your password to confirm that it is really you. So simply follow the instructions. Simply click on the account email. This is actually my current email. So if you want to change this email, simply click on it and delete the email from the box and type in the new email which you want to use. Once you type in your new email address, you make sure that you have actually typed them correctly. So at the bottom of the screen you can see the blue button which says save. Simply click on save to save changes, and you will have to enter your password in order to verify it. So simply enter your current password. Once you enter your password, make sure that you've actually typed them correctly. So if you're not sure whether you've typed them correctly, at the right side of the password box you can see the eye icon. Simply click on the eye icon and it will show you the password which you have typed. So once you've typed in your password correctly, on the bottom of the screen you can see the continue button. Simply click on the continue button which is in the blue box. And once you click on continue, you can see confirm your email. So please confirm your email address by clicking on the link in the email we've just sent you. The link is valid for 1 day. So go to your inbox and log into this email address and simply confirm it, and click on got it, and you will have changed your email successfully. So this is how you can change your email addresses on your TransferWise money application. We hope this video was really helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe, because we are going to bring you more awesome videos like this one on our channel. As always, thank you very much for watching, and see you in our next video.